Hey guys, welcome back to another Clean With Me. Today's video is sponsored by Privacy.com. Privacy.com is a website that lets you buy things online using virtual cards instead of real ones, and that way you can protect your identity and your bank information when you are shopping online.
Coming over and letting go of it all. Please move close to me.
I had every intention on this being a fall morning cleaning routine. I was going to open the windows and let a cool breeze blow in, but it is still in the 80s and 90s here in Tennessee, so I just lit a candle instead, and I'm trying to get the fall vibe going with that, but it is still so hot outside, so it's really hard to do. I am so ready for cooler weather.
You lay beside me, you held my hand in the dark. I started fighting cause I was...
If you are new here, I would love to have you hit that red subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss out when I post new videos. I post new videos every week. And I was going to let you guys know that this is just a morning cleaning routine. It's not an extreme cleaning routine or anything like that, but I wanted to make it relaxing because I know a lot of you watch my videos for motivation, but I also have a lot of you that watch it to de-stress and unwind at the end of the day and just like as a little getaway from life stresses. So I made today relaxing and simple. I did not have a lot of cleaning to do, just basically straightening up and making the house tidy. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm also going to be sharing with you some of my most often asked questions, like things where I get them from, like this pillow, for example, I got from Big Lots, and I'm going to try and link everything that I can find for you guys so you can check out the description box and find the link to it there. But I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite cleaning products and just some of my most often asked things that I get asked about all the time.
They were in high school when they met, and things got kinda awkward. With sparks in the air, he would stare at her in class, and she would try to act cool. But it was obvious, like, ooh, they would be together, ooh. One day she said, write me a love song, cause I know you'll make it beautiful. And maybe I'll call you my sweetheart, and promise nobody can steal me away. Then I am yours, cause I want you, and I wanted you to know. He looked at her and then he smiled, picked up a pen and paper, started writing, probably something about her eyes and how they're always shining, or something cliche like ooh. Baby, I only want you. It's true. And then he said, I wrote you a love song, and I tried to make it beautiful. It's a song about your sweetheart, and how nobody can steal me away. Yeah, I am yours, cause I want you, and I wanted you to know. As he sang, she started to dance, grabbed his arm and took his hand. He held her close under the moonlight as they kept on dancing. And now they're singing their love song, and they sing it kind of beautiful, calling each other sweetheart.
So I always set my robot vacuums loose in the morning. This is Harry, and then I have another one that I got on Amazon, and that one is Becky. The girls named her. I don't know why they named her Becky, but Harry is named Harry obviously because he picks up dog hair, and then Becky, and I set them both loose and they go to town and they do a wonderful job. It's crazy how much they pick up, but if you have pets, especially pets that shed, I highly recommend getting a robot vacuum. Amazon has so many of them. I will try and link the one that I have. I really do like it. It is really good. I actually like it better than my Shark, and it's half the price, so that is awesome. But if you have been thinking about getting one or on the fence, I was for a long time, and I do not regret it. I love it. I love both of them actually so much.
Yes, you've been here before. You closed the door. Now I don't know what to say. I expect you to leave. I deserve to be unheard.
So I'm showing you this dish wand here that I got from the Dollar Tree. I actually buy them in bulk on dollartree.com because I use them for so many things. I keep one in the shower, in all of the showers, and then I use one to clean my sink and one for the dishes. They're $1 and they're awesome. You can put dish soap inside of them. I do have a little bit in there, but honestly it works better just to use dish soap the regular way, at least for me. And then my favorite dish soap is the Greige in the sea salt and neroli, I think that one is. I like a bunch of them, but that one's my favorite, and you can get those on Grove Collaborative, and I always have that linked in the description box.
I'm less than you see, and I know when I let go right now, I'm gonna turn you against me. 'Cause baby, you stayed on the ground while I was high. Yes, you.
So this is called a plink, and you put it in your garbage disposal. It just makes it freshen up and smell really good, and I love them. I keep them in that little birdie I got at Walmart a long time ago. I love those. I highly recommend them if you have a garbage disposal. And then I also am going to show you something at the end of the video that cleans your garbage disposal that I love to use once a week. So I use those daily, and then the other thing once a week. And stay tuned because I'm going to show it in a little bit. But this is my Jaws Granite Cleaner. I love my Jaws products. They work really, really well. And I like the whole concept behind them being eco-friendly and all of that, non-toxic and all that good stuff. But one reason I really love them is because they are so multi-purpose. I can clean not only my granite, but I can wipe down my appliances or any mirrors or glass or anything at all, and they don't leave streaks. And that is my favorite part because I hate when I have to use multiple cleaners to clean my kitchen. I like to just be able to use one if possible, and the Jaws does that for me. So I'll always have that linked as well. I think I have a coupon code for it too, but you just have to check out the description box. I usually use my Method Wood for Good daily cleaner, but if you use it every single day, it can be somewhat drying, and I really don't understand that because it's made for wood. It should be moisturizing, but I find it to be a little bit drying, so I always follow up about once a week with some sort of polish, and I like the Indust and I like the Method Wood for Good. Okay, so now that I've talked about a bunch of great products in today's video, I know a lot of you are going to want to do some online shopping. So this is where privacy.com comes in. If you go in the description box, you can find a link and you click that, you're going to go download their browser extension. And what privacy.com is basically you're going to enter in your banking information. It's completely secure within their website. They use military grade encryption, which means that your information is encrypted and you do not have to worry about it being stolen. So when you go online and you're shopping, instead of putting in your credit card number, you're going to put in a dummy credit card number that privacy.com makes for you. You can also set limits to your spending, which also helps. That way, for example, if you have something like, say, a free trial for Netflix and you forget to cancel your subscription, this way they cannot charge you. You don't have to worry about that because you can go in and set the limit, $50 or whatever it is, and they won't be able to charge you any more than that. So it's great for a lot of reasons, but in today's day and age, when you're putting all your personal information out there, and we do tons of online shopping, we pay for our bills online, we do so many things online, privacy.com is so perfect, and I really think everyone should have it in their household. So definitely check it out in the description box. And privacy.com is offering my viewers $5 off of their first purchase. So if you follow the link in my description, it's just privacy.com/Jessi Christine. You will sign up and you will get that $5 so you can go ahead and start shopping online. I'm showing all of these things now. For example, I got this bench at Kohl's. I'll have it linked. This Caldrea linen spray is one of my favorites. And then I get asked a lot about my trash can. It is a Simple Human. It is from Bath and Body Works. Is that right? Yes. No, Bed Bath & Beyond, not Bath and Body Works. That's for candles. I'm crazy. I will have it linked if I can find it, but I'm sure you can find it other places. And then this bread box, which I love. It holds a ton of bread. I have that in my Amazon store. And then I have these canisters that I got from Kirkland's. I don't know if they're still available, but I'm going to try really hard to find them. And then if you follow me on Instagram, you see that I found this buffet that matches my table, which is from Ashley, and I got it for $200. And this is still on sale at Ashley for $800 right now. So I got a great deal. And then my loopy case, I will have that linked as well as a coupon code that they gave me for you guys. But I love my loopy cases. They make them for all different kinds of phones. And then this soft scrub with Oxy, I love. You guys see me use that in the sink a lot. This Clorox cleaner is my favorite. You see me use that in the bathroom if you see my bathroom cleaning routines. And here's the Glisten foaming cleaner for your garbage disposal. This actually cleans it, deodorizes it, and I love it. I also love these organizing containers that I got from Amazon. I got all of those plus these that you see here, and I have those linked in my Amazon store as well. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up before you click out. If you're new, leave me a comment so I can say hello. And don't forget to check out privacy.com. It's just privacy.com/Jessi Christine, but you will have that link in the description box. It just makes it a little bit easier. I will see you guys next time.